Hey, it's Paul and Ramir from ESG.
Hey.
We're like the luckiest guys in the world because we get to unbox new scooters all the time, but today we're unboxing a whole new brand. This is the Yinke i5.
Let's pop it open, Paul.
Right.
I'm ready.
We haven't peeked. This is our first look. You're coming right along for the ride with us here.
Yep.
Oh, put the stench away.
Another box.
Another box.
No.
Here we go.
All right, let's pull it out the box.
Oh, it's upside down. Well, that's a first. We haven't done that before.
All right, pull that big thing out.
Oh. So yeah, so this is a 74-pound scooter according to the spec. We always weigh them to be sure what the real number is. That puts it right on par with things like the Mantis and the Visette 10 Plus, all those light heavyweight scooters. All right, let's see what else is in the box. Oh, got our little standard little toolkit. It's a nice looking blue one. It's got all your Allens and the drivers there. And of course, the charger.
Yep. Oh, boom.
Nicely labeled. Let's see how many amps it is.
Oh,
It is 1.75, yeah, 1.75 amps, so pretty standard charger.
Are we installing these?
Yeah, once we get the bars on, I think those will wrap around and kind of tighten, kind of neaten up the wires.
Oh, okay. That's pretty cool. Yeah, right out the box, you can see this deck clearance right here. Boom.
And it's just, this is a really original looking scooter here. I mean, this looks like nothing else. Ooh, there's a grab handle right here. It looks like a tube, but it's actually a nice spot to grab onto. And it's a really cool looking deck. I love the contrasting, the red on black. And then, I don't know if you can pick it up, but there's like this nice sort of racetrack pattern around the, around the back there. All right, well, let's get it assembled and you look good on that, Ramir.
Thanks.
What do you think?
Yeah, it feels good. The acceleration, as soon as you hit the throttle, it goes. There's no dead zone with this thing.
All right, well, top speed test tomorrow. Can't wait.
Yeah. Review coming soon. Paul's the man. I'm here. ESG for life. Nah, just joking.